Hey, what's up guys? So as promised, I'm gonna do a little commentary on this time lapse of raising the tiny house. Obviously all the walls are built. We're bracing them before we put them up just to make sure that everything stays true and square. And then once we have them up, we are bracing them to the floor to keep them true the other way. And yeah, just doing one at a time. And then up top, you can see we are slowly adding 2x4s, the headers there to connect everything together. And the trailer was a little bit too close to the basketball hoop there, so we had to adjust that slightly to get that wall up there. And I think I've said this before, but yes, we do have a, I don't know what it was, 11.5-degree slope to the roof, just to help rain and debris and stuff slide off easier. We had a lot of help with this. Several family friends came over to help us lift the walls and get them in place. And once we had the walls in place, I believe we secured them initially just with nails, but then we came back in with threaded rod. I'm trying to remember what size it was, if it was 1/2 inch or 3/4, but we got an aircraft bit, which is just like a big long bit for drilling through metal, and we just went straight through the frame into the trailer, straight through the trailer, and then put that threaded rod through and put some really beefy washers on those threaded rods just to have more surface area to compress and hold the wall to the trailer. And I could be misremembering, but I think we had 8 pieces of threaded rod going through the different sections of wall to hold everything in place. So that's just kind of what's going on here. So if you have any questions, be sure to drop them in the comments. Be happy to answer them.